welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another recipe from the biscuits I made yesterday. I heated that up in the microwave. I'll be making a egg salad with sour cream, salt and pepper, and bacon. Just keeping it simple. Okay, hold on. Alright, I'm back. I just had to adjust the camera because I am in my room because somebody's sleeping in the other room, and I don't want to be inhibited by you know, not being able to do my videos when I get inspired to do one. So here I am. Okay, I added the sour cream, salt, pepper, and bacon. Keeping it simple. Should be good. The egg salad is still warm. The eggs are still warm. I heated the bacon up in the microwave that I made last week. And they're just leftover bacons. So, and here we are. Just trying to fit it all in my little space. So that should be good. Like, you can get maybe a few little biscuit sandwiches out of that. Looks delicious. Can't wait to try. So I thought it would be a good idea to add a little more taste to it, since it seems so simple. A little paprika always goes well with egg salad, and it's not coming out. Let's see. All right, this should work. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, a little paprika. All right, I don't know how this is filming because I have to readjust for my bedroom. So. The crispy bacon is just the right touch.